Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an aging tale that affects many men: changes in testosterone levels and sex drive. The testes, key components of the male anatomy, are primarily responsible for producing testosterone. This hormone, more than just a biochemical substance, is the power behind the development of masculine traits and the regulation of libido. Now let's delve deeper. The unsung heroes are the Leydig cells tucked away within the testes. These are the testosterone-producing factories, set into motion by an intricate sequence of biological signals. However, there's a catch. As men grow older, the capacity of these Leydig to create testosterone diminishes. This decline typically starts around age 30 and continues gradually over the years. Lower testosterone levels can lead to a range of symptoms. Imagine a battery that's running low on power. That's how a man might feel as his testosterone levels decline. Energy levels can decrease, making it harder to get through the day. Physical strength can also take a hit, as testosterone is vital for maintaining muscle mass. Mood changes, including increased irritability and a lack of focus, can also be attributed to lower testosterone levels. One of the most noticeable effects of declining testosterone levels is a decrease in sex drive or libido. Many men may experience a reduced interest in sex as they age, which can impact their relationships and overall quality of life. But remember, aging isn't the only culprit behind declining testosterone levels. Other factors can also contribute, such as obesity, chronic illness, and certain medications. For some men experiencing severe symptoms of low testosterone, hormone replacement therapy may be recommended under the supervision of a healthcare professional. It's important to be aware of the potential risks and benefits of this therapy. In conclusion, understanding the impact of aging on testosterone levels and sex drive is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being as we age. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Thanks for tuning in.